I get asked time and time again how to make a wise decision, how to make a wise choice. And ultimately, you have the ability in you to know what's right and what's wrong, what's going to help you be successful, what's not going to help you be successful, what's going to get you into trouble, what's not going to get you into trouble. What's healthy for you, what's not healthy for you. So when you make a wise decision, you take all the available information at the time, and also your upbringing from when you're a child to when you're an adult to whatever, life experiences, I guess is a better way of putting it. And you know that when you eat something healthy, that's probably a better, wiser, than not eating something healthy. Working out's probably a better choice than not working out. So those things are important to think about, how to make a wise decision. And we all want to make the best choices in life and everything like that. And sometimes you make wrong decisions and you learn from that. And when you're younger, 20, 30, whatever, when you get older, hopefully you make more wise decisions as you get older, because you have that life experience and whatnot like that. And also, if someone really knows something, you might want to listen to them because they probably have lived that life experience that you maybe, or have experienced of something that you just don't understand or don't know. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Compete that, y'all. Yeah.